When it comes to steaming sweet potatoes, steaming them directly is a big mistake. With this little trick, your sweet potato will turn out even sweeter than the roasted ones. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you like to eat sweet potatoes? My family love it because they are very rich in fibers and nutrients. So today I'm gonna show you a very simple way to steam them, and finally they turn out soft, fluffy and very delicious. Now you see, I choose the sweet potato that they have on the same side. Then they will cook evenly. When you wash sweet potato, then add some baking soda. Then you use your hand gently scrubbing to wash the sweet potato without damaging the skin. If you damage the skin of the sweet potato, in the end it will turn out less flavorful and sweety. Let's leave them there for about 3 minutes. After a few minutes, now we will get them out and then wash it one more time. To make sure that all the baking soda and the leftover comes up. If the sweet potato has any moldy or rot part, you should not eat that sweet potato because it's very dangerous if you eat a moldy food. Now I will trim off both ends because they are not delicious and fibrous. Here you see, there's the sap. The fresher the sweet potato is, the more sap they have. Alright, next I will prepare a basin of water and I add some salt. Now we soak the clean sweet potato in the salted water. Make sure that both ends of each sweet potato are submerged. This step is very important because it helps enhancing the flavor and the tasty, and also reducing the unpleasant reaction after we eating. When time's up, we will get them out, and we need to clean the sap of both ends. Now I bring water to boil. You know, when we're starting with the boiled water, it would be faster and more effective. Once water boiled, we will place the steamer in. Oh, be careful, it's hot. And then we will put the sweet potato in neatly, and we steam them with high heat about 15 minutes. Now put the lid on. After 15 minutes of high heat steam, I will reduce the temperature to the medium heat for 15 more minutes. And remember, don't open the lid. Always put the lid on while you are steaming. Where are you from? Can you leave a comment to let me know? I really love to have friends all over the world, and I would be very thankful when you leave a comment. It's a great support for me. And remember to hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Thank you for your support. When the time's up, we will lower the heat, and steam for another 5 minutes. Alright, now 5 minutes done. I will turn off the heat, and let's see. Wow, so beautiful. Wow, the fragrance is so great. Now we will get them out. We can put them on a plate for them to cool down, and then we can enjoy it. Okay. Trying steaming this way, you definitely got very delicious sweet potato. They soft and tender. You see, there are no water locked inside. Now let's see this sweet potato. If you have any comments, please leave a comment below. And if you find this video interesting, please give me a like. The video ends here. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you a lot. Goodbye.